It's been an interesting year here at the Riding on a Budget Garage. We've had a lot of ups, we've had a few downs. Got monetized. Did some really fun activities like going to the Barber Vintage Festival and checking out their swap meet. We done some nice riding, got some group rides, beautiful dinner ride. I'm gonna have to go in and have a hip replaced though come January. So I'm gonna be out of pocket there for a while, and I may not post a video every week. I hope you won't think that I'm giving up, because I haven't. I just can't get out of the bed after that hip surgery right away and get in sitting on the chair and making something to put on the channel. I've asked a lot of times, put out videos and polls about, what would you like to see on the channel? And it seems like everybody wants to see something that relates to vintage motorcycle content. You know, how to start your Norton Commando was one of my most popular videos of all time. The video of the vintage bikes at the vintage swap meet at Barber was my biggest viewed video this whole year. So it looks like in the coming year, we're going to be focusing on more vintage motorcycle stuff. I think this coming year I'm going to do some videos on how to find a motorcycle online and how to evaluate it, particularly vintage motorcycles. How do you buy a Norton Commando online? What do you look for? How do you look at how do you evaluate what's on eBay or Facebook Marketplace or Cycle Trader, which are the main sites? And we'll go through and show you how to look at that and how to evaluate, how to work up a budget, because it won't be cheap. But we can certainly see if we can't figure out how to do it as a reasonable price. You know, gear is really going high this year. In the last 12 months, cannot believe the cost of that gear has gone. Shoei's got a helmet out now that's over $1,000. I probably won't post any content in January, but I should be back by February, or at least I hope so. And we're going to have a great show, and I hope you'll stay tuned and keep your subscriptions going, and look for us in February for some brand new content from the Riding on a Budget channel. And as we always say, ride safe, and we'll see you down the road.